and receipt. If you guys are following me for a long time, you guys already know that I have an Instagram page for customized gifts. In my 3 years journey, I have completed 250 plus orders. In that, this one is a different orders. Every customer placed an order for someone else, but this customer placed an order for herself. She wants to customize the motivation jar with 200 quotes in it. She said it has to be more colorful and also she wants to add a light in it. So we made a customization as per she asked. If you guys also want to place an order, I will give the order details in description. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. First I am taking a color paper and I am dividing it into 9 pots. Now I am going to write the codes. Customer sent us a 20 categories. In that she wants to write us a 200 codes. So I searched it in Google and also in Pinterest. Customer asked that it should be colorful, so I write the codes in different color papers. After writing the codes, let's cut the papers. The materials that I used in this video, I will give their links in description. Calculate the paper size according to the jar that you are going to use. You can also use the pattern papers for writing a codes if you like. If you guys like to know how I print my pattern papers, I already uploaded a detailed video for that. I will leave that video link in description. Ta-da! Our 200 codes are ready. Let's roll it. To making a ring, I'm going to use the floral steel wire. You can also use satin ribbon for making a bow. I'm using a steel wire because customer asked that it should be in a steel wire. I'm using a jewelry cutter to cut the wire and I'm using a pliers for bending the wire. Now cut the extra part using a jewelry cutter. Our ring is ready. Let's make 200 of it. Now I'm going to roll the codes. If you like, you can also fold the codes. If you guys don't have a time to make this all, no worries guys, we got your back. You can place your order through Instagram or WhatsApp. I will give the order details in description. We also have a wide varieties of customized gifts in our Instagram page. I will also leave my Instagram page link in description. So go and check it out guys. Our 200 rolls are ready. Now I'm taking a jar. Customer wants a glass jar, so I choose the glass jar. It's little bit expensive. If you want this to be budget friendly, you can also use a plastic jar. I have printed these codes in a photo sheet. Print the codes according to the size of your jar. Customer wants to add the light, so I'm using a cork-light for that. Make sure that your light fits in. First I'm going to fill the quarter of the jar using a codes roll. After that, I'm going to add the light. Make sure that you leave the light control on the top so that you can easily operate the light. Again, fill the jars using a codes roll. Now place the light control on the top and hide it with the rolls. This cork lid has a 3 mode. Let's close it up. Now I'm going to add a bow. For that I'm using a organza ribbon. Ta-da! It's ready! This is how I made a self-motivation jar. I hope this jar will help her in her hard times and also keep her motivated. If you guys try this out, don't forget to share this to